Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. The term dinky or donkey process refers to the illegal immigration route that many individuals, including Indians, use to enter the United States via the Mexico border. This perilous journey is fraught with dangers, including human trafficking, exploitation, extreme weather conditions, and encounters with cartels. Fire understanding, dinky, donkey process. The word dinky, also spelled donkey, originates from Punjabi slang, meaning an illegal backdoor entry into another country, often via treacherous routes. This term has gained traction due to the increasing number of Indians, especially from Punjab and Gujarat, attempting to reach the United States and Canada illegally. Globe: why do people choose the dinky route? The American dream and economic opportunities are the primary reasons why people risk their lives using illegal routes. Some of the key motivators include checkmark better job prospects in the US, checkmark escape from financial crisis or unemployment in India, checkmark desire for permanent residency, green card, checkmark family reunification with relatives already in the US, checkmark exploitation by human smugglers, agents who lure people with false promises, pushpin the dangerous journey of dinky, step by step. Step 1. The smuggler, agent, network. 1. People in India approach travel agents, often human smugglers, who charge 25 lakh rupees to 60 lakh rupees, $30,000, $75,000 per person for the entire journey. 2. The smugglers assure safe passage into the US but often lie about the risks involved. 3. Most of these agents have ties with criminal networks in multiple countries, creating a web of illegal migration. Step 2. Leaving India, the flight to South America. 1. Due to strict US visa policies, these immigrants cannot fly directly to the US. Instead, they fly to a South or Central American country that allows easy visa access, e.g., Ecuador, Brazil, or Bolivia. 2. Ecuador, for example, allows Indians to enter visa-free for 90 days. 3. From Ecuador or Brazil, they begin their overland journey towards Mexico. Step 3. The deadly journey through the jungle of death. Once in South America, the migrants must travel thousands of miles through dangerous routes, including Cap 1, the Darien Gap, Panama-Colombia border. 1. A 100-mile-long jungle with no roads. 2. Infested with wild animals, poisonous snakes, and diseases. 3. Controlled by Colombian drug cartels and human traffickers. 4. Many die due to exhaustion, drowning, or attacks by criminals. 5. Survivors walk for up to 10 days in extreme conditions. Cap 2, Central America, the smuggling route. 1. After the Darien Gap, migrants move through Panama, right pointing arrow, Costa Rica, right pointing arrow, Nicaragua, right pointing arrow, Honduras, right pointing arrow, Guatemala. 2. They mostly travel by foot, bus, or truck with the help of smugglers. 3. Corrupt officials and cartels demand bribes at every checkpoint. Step 4. Reaching Mexico, the last barrier. 1. Migrants enter Mexico via Guatemala and pay hefty bribes to local mafias. 2. Some fly to Cancun or Mexico City, pretending to be tourists. 3. Others use fake Mexican visas provided by smugglers. Step 5. The most dangerous part: crossing into the US. There are 3 common ways to cross the US-Mexico border illegally. Canoe. 1. The Rio Grande River crossing. 1. Migrants cross the Rio Grande River in inflatable rafts. 2. Many drown due to strong currents or lack of swimming skills. 3. The US Border Patrol is heavily stationed here. Cactus 2. The Arizona and Texas Desert Route. 1. Migrants walk through the Sonoran or Chihuahuan deserts. 2. Temperatures reach 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, in the daytime. 3. Many die from heat exhaustion, dehydration, and starvation. 4. Coyotes, smugglers, often abandon weak migrants. Lorry 3. Hiding in vehicles. 1. Some hide in trucks or containers to enter the US. 2. Many suffocate to death due to lack of oxygen. 3. Others are caught at US border checkpoints. Oncoming police car. What happens after entering the US? Once migrants illegally enter the US, they checkmark surrender to US Border Patrol and claim asylum, checkmark are detained in migrant camps for processing, checkmark some are released with an ankle monitor and asked to appeal in court, checkmark others disappear into US cities, working illegally until they gain legal status, red circle the risks and tragedies of the Denki route. The Denki process is highly dangerous and often leads to crossmark death from dehydration, starvation, drowning, or exhaustion, crossmark kidnapping by cartels for ransom or forced labor, crossmark sexual assault and abuse of women and children, crossmark scams by agents who abandon migrants after taking their money, crossmark arrest by US Border Patrol and deportation, loudspeaker recent real-life incidents and tragedies. Keycap 1 The Patel family tragedy, 2022. 1. A Gujarati family of 4, including 2 kids, froze to death while crossing from Canada to the US. Keycap 2 Indian migrants stuck in the Darien Gap. 1. Several Indian families were stranded in the jungle without food or water, with many dying en route. Keycap 353 migrants found dead in a truck, 2022, Texas. 1. 53 migrants were found dead in a truck near San Antonio after being abandoned without ventilation. Revolving light legal consequences for illegal migrants, crossmark deportation if asylum claims fail, crossmark permanent ban from re-entering the US, crossmark risk of detention in ICE, Immigration and Customs Enforcement camps, crossmark exploitation by illegal employers and underpaid labor, checkmark safer alternatives to the Denki route. Instead of risking their lives, people should explore legal options such as checkmark H-1B work visa for skilled professionals, checkmark student visa, F1 studying in the US can lead to work visas, checkmark family sponsorship if relatives are legal US residents, checkmark investment-based green card, EB-5 visa. Final thoughts, the harsh reality of Denki. The Denki route is a life-threatening journey that often ends in tragedy. While the dream of a better future in the United States is strong, the risks involved in illegal immigration are far greater. Many migrants lose their lives, get exploited, or face deportation, leaving their families shattered. If you're considering moving abroad, always choose legal routes and avoid falling into the trap of human traffickers and fake agents. Thank you for watching this video.